we need to have a little chat. I've been stewing on this for a little while and it's just come to a fucking head and I need to vent. If you don't like the F word being spoken, don't fucking watch my videos, okay? It's that fucking simple. There are a million other YouTube channels you can go and fucking watch. Don't watch mine. So, it's fine, you put in the comments whatever you want, right? That's your prerogative. The comments are there for you to comment and say, Jim, we don't like the bad language. I wish you'd stop swearing. Whatever, that's fine, right? When you start fucking emailing my work email, basically fucking, and this has happened on quite a few occasions now, and I'm sick and fucking tired of it, and that's why I'm having a rant. Literally writing to tell me that I need to stop swearing because you don't fucking like it, and sometimes your kids want to watch, and you don't want them to hear the F word. Well, fuck you, okay? It's an adult channel, okay? It's workshop banter. It's real fucking life. Go and watch something else. It reminds me of Ricky Gervais. Most of you'll know who he is. He does this stand-up bit where he says, there's a man walking down the street and he sees a sign for piano lessons and he says, well, I don't fucking want piano lessons. It's like that. It's like, don't fucking watch then. Nobody's forcing you to watch. It shouldn't be a big surprise to hear me say the F word in one of my videos, okay? Oh my fucking God. My head's done in with it, honestly. What sort of a narcissistic fucking psychopath have you got to be to email somebody and say, I should put the email on the screen really, and basically demand that you stop swearing because you want your kids to be able to watch it. It's a fucking over 18 YouTube channel. What are your kids doing watching it? Anyway, I feel better for that. And then the other thing, fucking hell, while I'm having a moan, is like I'd like to think that I am the most helpful person in the world. If somebody rings me and they want advice, if I've got the time and I'm not, you know, got something immediately pressing, then I'll spend 10 minutes on the phone with them trying to talk through the problem. But what's happening is, as the YouTube channel's growing, and I'm not, God, I sound like a right miserable bastard, and I'm not, but for example, right, yesterday I got an email from a guy, and these emails usually start with, I know you're busy, but, and then proceed to write 3 fucking massive pages of bullet points and problems they've got with their bike, and then say, please give me your opinion at the bottom of the fucking email. It's like, I haven't got the time, guys. I haven't got the time. I really wish I could help every single person, but I must get 10 of those a week. And it would literally be a full-time job. I can't do it. I just can't do it anymore. That's what the Discord is for, right? There's all you guys in the Discord. I think actually, you know what? I think my Discord members are keeping me fucking sane. I think if it wasn't for the Discord, I don't know whether I'd knock it on the head, because it's a good marketing exercise for the business. Really good marketing. It's the best, smartest marketing I've ever done, but it's a lot of fucking work for not a lot of gain. And it's only the fact that I've got patrons and they're paying me a little bit of money every month. I think last month, I think I got $1,200, which it doesn't really cover the time it takes to make the videos, but it definitely sweetens it. Do you know what I mean? Because the videos, if I'm filming a job, it's bleeding heart. You've heard this all before. If I'm filming a job, it takes longer. You know what I mean? It's cost neutral at this point, probably, so I'm definitely keeping on doing it. And the banter in the Discord with the patrons is really good, and that they're keeping me sane. But if you really want free advice, that's the only place you're going to get my attention, is in the Discord. I'm in there most days, don't often answer. I do sometimes, but there are guys just as experienced as me that do it for a living, that are prepared to help. It's a fucking awesome community of people. And it's got to a point now, sort of, it's got to critical mass where if you're a knobhead, don't bother turning up, because you'll get fucking slapped down immediately. It's not the place for you if you're that type of human, right? Probably the type of human that sends me a fucking big long email and expects a fucking 3-page reply. Anyway, fucking hell. I think that's me rant over with. I just wanted to get that off my chest. It's fine in the YouTube comments, right? Put whatever you want. But when you start fucking personally emailing me, the narcissism is fucking staggering. Right. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for what, well, if you got to the end, you probably haven't. You probably turned off in the first fucking 10 seconds if you got any sense. More content coming soon. Thanks, guys. Love you all.